Hey guys, not one, not two, but three. Guys, I'm going to show you three different platforms in which you can truly benefit by sending and receiving money. It ain't good if you don't have your business set up in this way. And I'm going to show you how and the sites you can check out. All right? Thank you as always, guys, in returning to release billions. So guys, let's jump right into it. It's always a concern for persons to know the different places in which they can set up some account, right? So they can receive and send money. Now, in no particular order, I'm going to be listing three sites that you can take a look at today and they can start to help you in the long run, okay? The first app that I truly want to share with you today is PayPal. Yes, PayPal. Now, PayPal has been around for a long time and it has become universal. It is international. And a lot of persons are familiar with PayPal and how they operate. You can send money and receive through PayPal, and with PayPal you can even go onto sites and make purchases. You can, make payments and things of the nature. Matter of fact, you are able to add your bank card from the countries that you are with or from to PayPal, and you can make transaction through that platform. So if you need to upload some cash to the PayPal platform in order to do transaction, you can do so. In withdrawal, you are able to receive monies through PayPal, and you are able to use a third party depending on the third party that is within your country or directly to your account, and you're able to receive payments and also send payments. Now, it's easier when persons have PayPal account. You are always able to send money from that PayPal network to another existing PayPal network, and you can redeem it on a lot of sites. Guys, there's a lot of sites that you can use PayPal on so that you can make transfers without any delay. For some persons, I know they prefer not to have the monies right within their account, but they're able to know that they have an account and money is there, and they're able to make transactions as they see it fitting. So if you have never tried out PayPal, today is a good time for you to consider PayPal and see how best it works for you. The next one that I want to recommend to you, drum roll, is Wise. I'm telling you guys, Wise. Wise is a platform that is truly efficient and effective. Guys, it is in many countries right now that are accepting the use of Wise. You are able to connect your local bank account to your Wise account. It is easy to sign up, just by reading the simple layout and filling in some information. You are able to get that code and you're able to open that Wise account. Once your Wise account is truly set up, then you're able to start to upload money to that account. If you're working online or working even with your physical job, you can ask for payment to be downloaded to your Wise account. You immediately will have a US banking information that you can use off the bat, that you can use for transactions, sending and receive money. Oh, Wise is that, guys? Come on. So Wise is in a number of countries that you can definitely take a look at, and you can see how best Wise works for you. I know that it is efficient. It is one of the best platforms out there. It is very quick. The rates are low, and it is easy and simple and effective. And if you have any issues, you are able to reach out to their help desk, and they are able to assist you as quickly as possible so that you can get any delay payment or anything resort as soon as possible. Now, if you have made a payment to an account and there's something that was not as correct as it should have been, within a matter of a day or 3 days, that money would have been returned to your Wise account. So you are able to see that reflecting, and you are able to also track, so you go step by step as to what is happening. Now you can set an alert on your phone, so that as you make payments or receive, you are notified as to what is happening, right? And you're able to understand the platform a lot better. You are able to download this from the Google Play Store, just like the PayPal. You're also able to use it straight from your laptop, and you may make transactions from there. But Wise is definitely a great website for you to consider, and if you have not done so, please check out Wise, and you can see how much it is very beneficial. All right, can I go now? Guys, the last one, I am talking about Payoneer. Yes guys, Payoneer is one of those platforms that have been dominant. It has truly been making waves for the past few years. Payoneer is one of the suggested platforms where persons are able to set up real quickly. It is user friendly. They do have some security features that are there, that they are ensuring that you are protected as the user. Their customer service is well, and if they are in need of documentations as they approve different transactions, they will ask you to present them. So Payoneer is truly an option that you can consider to have your business transaction done. Guys, nothing try, nothing done. So now that you have 3 options, you can start to take a look at these and see which one is best working for you. You have no excuse in which to conduct your business. You are able to conduct your business professionally, and if you don't need it for a business transaction, you can do it on a personal level. And guys, these platforms have been helping many persons, including myself, so I'm offering them to you.